Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to show you some common apparatus of the chemistry lab and their uses. लेकिन उससे पहले chemistry lab का rules regulation भी जानना ज़रूरी है. And these are: number 1, always use apron or lab coat in the chemistry lab. Number 2, never try any unauthorized experiment. Number 3, do not keep highly inflammable substances like alcohol, acetone, etc. near open flame. Number 4, never have drink or food in the lab. Number 5, always keep your table neat and clean. Number 6, turn burner off before leaving the lab. And number 7, always wash your hand with water and soap before leaving the lab. And these are the rules and regulations of the chemistry lab. Now we are going to know about the apparatus. This is test tube, most important and most frequently used apparatus in the chemistry lab. It is made of glass and it is 20 ml test tube, standard size. Different volumes of test tubes are also available. This stand where we keep the test tube is called test tube stand. This is test tube and this is test tube stand. This is a holder and it is called test tube holder. It is used to hold test tubes during heating. If you want to heat solid chemicals, salts, you can use this device. This is test tube brush and it is used for cleaning the test tube. This is spatula made of stainless steel and used for transferring solid substances, salts from one container to another. This is glass dropper to take liquid reagents, concentrated acids, etc. It is made of glass. In chemistry lab, do not use plastic droppers. If you use plastic dropper to take concentrated acids, then it will be melt. So never use plastic droppers. This is platinum loop. It is used in flame test. It is blowing pipe used in circle cavity test in salt analysis. This is called fusion tube. It is used in Lacine test. This is glass rod. There is no hole. A thick cylindrical stick, and this is called glass rod, and it is used for stirring liquids or mixing substances. There is a hole here. It is hollow and a hollow cylindrical tube, and it is called glass tube. We can make glass dropper using this glass tube. Also we can prepare capillary tubes. If you want to pass gases from one test tube to another, then also you can use this glass tube. This is triangular file for cutting glass tubes or glass rods in definite length. This is beaker. Different volumes of beakers are available. This is 250 ml beaker and this is 100 ml beaker. It is used for taking various liquids. This gives rough volume. And this is called porcelain dish. It is used in crystallization. This is wire gauze for uniform heating and it prevents breakage. There is a asbestos here. It gives uniform heating. It is called tripod stand. It is a support for heating porcelain dish, beakers, etc. This is pair of tongs and it is used for holding hot apparatus. This is called burette and it is used in volumetric analysis, and this stand is called burette stand. This is conical flux for carrying out titration. Volumetric analysis and titration both are different. Volumetric analysis is an experiment and titration is a process by which we can do volumetric analysis. Okay, this is volumetric pipette to pipette out solutions. This is volumetric flux. This is very accurate. By using this apparatus we can prepare solution for volumetric analysis. This is funnel for filtration. This is filter paper used for filtration. This is measuring cylinder. It gives approximate measurement of liquid. Different volumes are available. Okay, these are the, I think these are the main apparatus of the chemistry lab. In next video I will show you the salt analysis. Thank you.